Hello friends, once again welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then subscribe our channel and support me. And coming to week 4 quiz of programming data structures and algorithms using Python. So friends, I am going to show you the proofs regarding every question. I am not saying on any guess or any rough work, so I am 100% sure these are correct. So coming to this, please watch the video till the end, as there is no hurry and there are few more days to submit. So please watch the video till the end without skipping. And if you see the note, if a question asks about a string, remember to enclose your answer in a single or double quotes. And it's a list, then we have to enclose in square brackets and use commas to separate a list items. So friends, why am I saying this means, in a head of our problems it will be used, especially the second note point. And coming to first question, consider the following Python function. Here they have given a Python program, small program, and they asked to the result of mystery of and this list, what will this function return. So I'm going to show you the answer. So friends, if you see this clearly, I have done this in compiler and I have got result as, you can see this, 55, 82, 65, 19, 14 and 22. Instead of we want to get return of mystery function, we have to use print of mystery of, and as they given in the question. So by this command I have got this answer. So if you keenly observe this, 55, 82, 65, 19, 14, 22. So friends, as I said, as I read in before note point, you have to enclose them in square brackets. So I am going to zoom this for your understanding. So friends, if you see this, 55 and comma separated by comma, and 82 separated by comma, 65 and 19 and 14 and finally 22, and I am closing the brackets. So friends, this is the answer regarding first question. So this is the answer, and I'm going to unzoom this. And coming to second question, they have given a statement pairs, that means it is pairs. So they are asking what is the value of pairs, value of pairs, the value of pairs. So I'm going to show you another one. So if you see this, instead of we want to get the value of pairs, we should print of pairs. This statement is used. So what we got, a list with included like coordinates, you know that. So 4 comma 5, 4 comma 2, 3 comma 3 and 2 comma 4. If you zoom this, you can clearly able to see this. So this is the original answer. So I'm going to unzoom and go to the final answer. I'm going to zoom there so you can easily. So friends, if you see this, a square bracket and a closed bracket, to start with 4 comma 5, it's like a coordinate, and this is separated from another coordinate by comma, and other one 4 comma 2, which in between separated by comma, and also outside also separated by commas, 3 comma 3 comma, and finally 2 comma 4 and closed by closed bracket. So friends, I hope this is very useful to you, and if you feel any doubts, comment in the comment section. Feel free to comment, and if you like the video, subscribe our channel. And coming to third question, friends, here this is not the answer. Third question, we have seen first and second questions, they are completely correct. And coming to third question, consider the following dictionary, and they have given a simple program, and they are asking which of the following does not generate an error. This is important part in this question. And coming to the third pick, I am going to show you. Yes, here friends, I have all tested the options, all gave an error except this one. What is it? You can zoom this, I can zoom this for you. That is wickets of ODI Prasad equal to 4,4. This doesn't generate error. There is no error. It is completely successfully compiled. So wickets ODI Prasad. So what is this here? The option, third option, wickets of ODI and Prasad equal to 4,4. So this is the answer for third question. And final question, assume hundreds has been initialized as an empty dictionary. So here you can see this dictionary is denoted by flower brackets. Hundreds equal to empty dictionary. There is nothing in this, so it is empty dictionary. Which of the following generates an error? In before question, does not generates. In this question, generates an error. So if you see once again in this pic, here the statement hundreds of Tendulkar comma international is equal to 100, it generates an error. I have tested remaining three options also, they doesn't give error and completely compiled as in before question. First only option, here it want to give error. This is one option only, that is international hundreds of Tendulkar comma international equal to 100. So let's get back, and where it is once again, let's see, each have double quotations, but here two closed brackets. So the answer is here. Yes, here two closed brackets here also. This is the answer. This generates, it is the only option that generates an error. So option 4. So friends, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you feel the same, subscribe our channel, like the video and share to your friends. Keep supporting us. Until then, be safe, be happy. Thank you. Bye.